think, with California bringing that new aspect of, now it being something to where they don't have to, that they have to be open about it, and where you'll probably see it more in the news, do you think it has to do anything with kind of people voicing more about, sexual assaults and just these specific traumatic instances that people are going through?
Yes. Well, what you're seeing is, I mean, it is a direct result of the Me Too movement. And here in California, you're really kind of poster child for that is Harvey Weinstein. And so
yeah,
the thing is that there are, in fact, high-powered predators in certain places that the companies have been silently settling cases for decades.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to see the effect of the new prohibition on non-disclosure provisions.
Yes.
On one hand, it'll obviously make certain work environments known. It'll probably make certain high-powered executives accountable who beforehand could kind of hide behind those provisions.
Yeah.
On the other hand, a lot of times a company, the non-disclosure is really all that they're buying. They don't believe the allegations, or the allegations can be difficult to sustain, and they really want it to go away and go away quietly. So I do wonder if for certain cases, the fact that it can't be confidential anymore is actually going to drive some settlement values down. So it'll be interesting to see. We don't have data on that yet.